My name is Lana Gamble. I am the owner of Willow Cove Art and Wellness. My only expectation of you is to step into these meetings, into these sessions, into these gatherings with your head up and heart open. By Angela, it says, as you grow older, you will discover that you have two hands, one for helping yourself and the other for helping others. We're going to challenge you. We're going to push you. We're going to press you with love to answer the questions. You don't get to hide behind, I don't know. Because the truth of the matter is you do know. And this is a safe place for you to express what it is you're really feeling. Okay, so think about this as practice time. All right? You get to practice with this group of 12 girls, just like you, and you get to practice with all of the adult women who are going to share their time. You get to practice with us, expressing yourself in an honest way. head up and heart open.